Have you synchronized your own video in the
Yes.
past?
Yes.
How easy to do is that? And what do you need to ask for from the court reporter or
So,
not to ask for?
so when we get with my core reporters, I have not had any issues with the video that they've provided. So I don't know. When we've gotten video, we get the raw, I think it's raw unmarked. You know what? Maybe you can speak to the technical part of that because I'm not entirely sure. All I know is in the video files that we've gotten, we've had no problem running the sync.
Mhm.
I did get a court reporter give us some kind of pre-time coded video, I think, that didn't work, and we had to get a different type of video. So I'm sorry if you want to speak to that, go ahead. But with
I'll just
this,
jump in real quick to clarify that. So if your video can run natively on the iPad, it can work within TranscriptPad as well as within TrialPad for presentation. It can sync up with the text file. So in terms of TranscriptPad, all that's needed is the text file from the court reporter and the video from the court reporter. MP4 is usually the format that everyone gets it in. That's what comes in. But if it's already been synced and you've paid the court reporter for that, that's actually not even something you can bring in. So it's save your money. Don't get it synced. And that might be what you're referring to with the time codes.
yes.
Don't get it synced. Just ask for the text file and the video file, and all that syncing can be done pretty quickly and for free within TranscriptPad.
Excellent. So here, I'll use an example in this last case that we did. We had we had to show some video deposition testimony. So it's so easy to go into TranscriptPad, mark the testimony that you need, and then export it into TrialPad, and then it plays. I may be able to play this here. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it plays. Yeah, it won't play from here. But through the court systems, we've had no trouble. We've plugged in. The one thing that you have to do is make sure that you have sound output somewhere, so it'll output through the court speakers. When we tried this case in the Eastern District of New York, they had all that technology, so that wasn't a problem at all. But let me see if I can show you how easy it is to mark those designations. Let's see. Okay, so here is one of our witnesses. This is the one that we were just looking at, Jaraway. So with the deposition, you can see on here, let's see where I have this, plaintiff designations, you can see these designations that are marked, and all you do is take the particular parts of the testimony, mark them, and add an issue code to them, and then you can, when you export the video, you choose the issue codes that you want to export as part of the video. So for this process, my opposing counsel and our office worked together on depo designations. So we had joint designations, not joint in the sense that we all agreed on the designations, but we had some, they had some. So I used TranscriptPad to mark all of those, and we did it collaboratively in that sense. And then we were able to play it from just from the iPad sitting at counsel table.